going to build off our spears kind of combative curriculum. So what's going to happen is he's going to do a sucker punch. I'm going to do the spear. I'm going to create distance by giving him another spear. But I don't want to push him away. Now I gotta go chase him down. What we're going to do from there is our initial spear. We're gonna stop the attack. We're going to create the distance by giving him another spear. Hook the back of the neck here, and so that way he's not going too far. I'm going to bring him into the elbow with the elbow shot. This arm is going to use this as a tracking, and that way I know where his head. I don't have to find his head. So if we're in low lighting condition or in a bar or whatever, I can find and use my proprioceptors versus my eyesight. Again, we're going to deliver that spear him again, hook, elbow shot, elbow shot. All right. We're going to work on some preemptive attacks. This might be a time where the guy is squaring up with you. You want to use that preemptive attack to give you a little bit of an advantage. So once his hands are up, we're going to do a split entry. And typically when we do a split entry, for training sakes, we smash it up on the chest. But in real life, when he puts his dukes up, I'm going to smash it onto his face. From there, I'm going to trap. And once I detect that he's going to pull his arm back, I'm going to give him a cross and a cross. Again, that preemptive attack, we're squaring up, we're getting a confrontation. He's got his hands up. I'm going to smash, trap, boom, boom. Okay? We're going to do another variation of that one. This one is more of me taking more of an aggressive takedown. So again, he's going to square up. I'm going to do my preemptive attack by smashing, doing my split entry. I'm going to trap as well as advance my left foot. I'm going to take this left arm, create a palm up, what we call it a palm up, palm down technique. So I'm going to lift up his head by using the leverage. I'm going to sweep the leg and then dumping him. Okay. Again, it's going to be here, entry here, boom. Okay. So hopefully that works for some of those preemptive attacks. One of the things that we worked on last week on our Coda Combatives program is off the, I believe it was a cross. So we're crossing, we're going to use a cut block. So it's similar to a check block, which you're going to use to deflect. So this follows the same principles of uke or receiving. So it just turns and it dissipates the energy. From there, we're going to go this way. We can elbow shot here. We're going to use this hand also to trap, to do an elbow shot here. And then since his hand, his foot and his arm, or his arm and his foot, I'm going to cross over and do a spear or create a wedge to do a very similar Silat takedown. So from here, again, cut. Here, I'm going to do an elbow strike. Elbow strike. I'm going to step through. Boom. Again, that's going to be a cut block. I'm going to do an elbow shot here, and then step through. Okay. We'll work a different angle here. Again, I'm doing a cut block. I can follow with a check. Elbow strike. I'm going to wedge my foot right here and deliver a spear. Okay. Hopefully that works for you guys. Thank you.